Okay, let's try to build the shape we've seen previously. Um, I've added a couple of dimensions. I think here are all the important ones, but we'll be back into the 2D to check if something is missing. So I have three important sections. This one where we come from a transition of a kind of a round shape to a rectangular shape. We have section 2, which is round shape, and the third one with an angle also round. So let us start doing the rectangular shape, 9.4 by 4. I will build a box. I have already the dimensions inserted. So put it somewhere in space, and that's it. Now, so I have this section here, this one. Now I came from a round shape, 4 millimeters diameter, and I will create a cylinder. So 4, and the length now it's not important, and you'll see why a little bit later. So I will position it on the correct place, halfway of this midpoint and this midpoint, and move it 6.6 in here. Now I will create a transition and we'll use this function here, loft between two planes outlines. We'll choose this plane and this plane. Before I accept, right mouse click here and choose the tangents. Let us see, not this one I want, but this one. Perfect. Okay. Um, I will blank this part here and we'll create now this angular part. So 425, 175 with an angle of 42. So another cylinder, 2.65. The length is 4.5. Also position it on the correct place. And the correct place for now it is this center, and now move it 1.75 and rotate it 42 degrees. Perfect. Now I will use this cylinder as a tool. We'll position it 180 degrees, and again this function, the loft between this plane and this plane, and once more right click, loft. Perfect. Okay. Blank the cylinder. I don't need it anymore. And unblank the other shape. Probably I have a very small mistake of not correctly align this side with this side. So I will move, or first I can join this and this. And now I will move this guy here just this very small distance, but it's enough probably to correct the small disalignment. So we'll add this to this one and this one to this one. Still have a mistake. Try to move it a little more. I'm not sure if I've done it on the correct place. Okay, let us do another one and try again. Uh, Try again. Okay. It's a really minor mistake of a non-correct alignment due to this shape, this transition, but the error is very small. So 2D, now I will create the slot, the angular slot, and for that purpose I will create shape here, continuous shape, done. And okay, I have 1.2 and I will create an extrude. We'll create an extrude from this shape, which I hope it is correct. Let's go into the 3D. Oh, solid profile. Height, it can be 10, no problem. And I will choose the shape. I haven't checked the shape. Okay. I have some problems in this area, so I need to fix them first. And on the other side also. And now it should be okay. So 3D again. Extrude, profile into the area. Yes. And choose again the shape. Insertion point can be this one. And this one, it is this one here, raised of 1.2 millimeters. And we'll insert it. Okay. Last thing to do here is to measure this angle. So this angle is 8 degrees, okay? So I will create another solid. I can blank this guy here and we'll create a box. Oops, not this one. A box, a big one, to guarantee that I fully intersect this smaller solid. And put my reference point on this place. We'll rotate it 8 degrees minus. And now position this gentleman this place and move it just a little in the back and subtract using this as a tool and this gentleman also. The same process. Now I will unblank our solid and try to see if we don't have any mistake. So this is our tool and we want to take this from the solid. And I think we have a very nice shape of what you need. Let me just put a point to rotate here so it's much better to see. So this is our shape. I think it's very near what what you are looking for.